Loneliness is killing more people than smoking. You are not sick. You eat fine. You sleep enough. But something is killing you, and you cannot see it. Science finally has a name for it. Level 1. The invisible symptom. You wake up, phone first. Always phone first. You scroll for 20 minutes. You see everyone living. You feel nothing. You are not depressed. You are not anxious. You just feel slightly hollow. Every single day. Doctors have a word for this: chronic loneliness. Not the loneliness of being alone, the loneliness of feeling unseen, even in a crowd, even with people around you, even online. Level 2. The data in 2023. The U.S. Surgeon General declared loneliness a public health epidemic. Not poverty, not obesity, not screen time. Loneliness. The numbers are brutal. Lonely people die 15 years earlier on average. Loneliness increases your risk of heart disease by 29%, stroke by 32%, dementia by 50%, and here is the one that changes everything. Being chronically lonely is equivalent to smoking 15 cigarettes a day, every single day, without lighting a single one. Level 3. The paradox. Here is what makes no sense. You are the most connected generation in all of human history. More friends online than any human has ever had in real life. More communication tools. More ways to reach anyone, anywhere, anytime. And yet, loneliness has tripled since the 1980s. The generation that grew up with the internet reports feeling the loneliest. Researchers call it the loneliness paradox. More connection, less feeling connected. The technology built to bring people together taught people to perform friendship instead of having it. Level 4. What it does to your body. Your body cannot tell the difference between being chased by a predator and being left out of a conversation. Both activate the same threat response. When you feel socially rejected, your brain releases the same chemicals as physical pain. Being ignored literally hurts, the same way a broken bone hurts. When loneliness becomes chronic, your body stays in threat mode permanently. Cortisol floods your system. Inflammation increases. Your immune system weakens. Your heart works harder. Your brain begins to change. Lonely people begin to see the world as more threatening, more hostile, more dangerous, which makes them withdraw more, which makes them lonelier, which makes the world feel more threatening. The trap closes itself. Level 5. The beautiful ones. Remember Calhoun's mice. The ones who had everything, the ones who withdrew from society, the ones who groomed themselves perfectly and felt nothing. He called them the beautiful ones. Researchers looking at loneliness data today see the same pattern in humans. Perfect appearance, perfect feed, perfect performance of a life, but functionally withdrawn, never vulnerable, never truly seen, never truly known. The beautiful ones of Universe 25 never reproduced, not because they couldn't, because they had forgotten why. Level 6. The only way out here is what the research actually says. Not therapy, not medication, not more followers. One thing: being truly known by another person. Not liked, not followed, not admired, known. One conversation where you say something real and someone stays. That is what your nervous system has been searching for since you were born. Your ancestors survived because of each other, not because they were strong, not because they were smart, because they stayed together. Loneliness is not a character flaw. It is a biological alarm. Your body telling you something essential is missing. The question is not whether you feel it. The question is whether you answer it. The mice had no choice. You do. When did you last feel truly known?